Why is it so easy for us to spend hours scrolling, but so difficult to read one chapter of that book? Hi, I am Ria, and welcome to episode 1 of my podcast called Being Real, where unfiltered narratives meet reality. Quick dopamine versus delayed gratification. I think it's that one topic everybody is struggling with. It's that one feeling everybody wants to feel, but they're also confused if they are going on that right trajectory or not. Quick dopamine, meaning instant pleasures, something that you think is your reward at the moment. Delayed gratification, long term rewards, something that is more like a process than a destination. In today's world, I feel when everything is so fast paced, every 20-year-old is doing something or the other. They're either building, creating, partying, or having the best social life anyone could ever have. We often have this tendency to want more. And when we get more, the tendency to even want more. It's something that is recurring, that does not stop. There is no full stop to it. You will have hundreds of friends, but you would still want more. You would have the best social life, but still want to party more. You would still be building every day, but you would still want to create more. And it's not the worst feeling to exist. I mean, dopamine itself is nothing but a chemical in your brain, right? That is supposed to motivate you. But overexposure to it can actually really screw your reward system. Because quick dopamine means getting yourself rewarded immediately and instantaneously. It does not mean that you are getting yourself rewarded because you have fulfilled a task or you have accomplished an accomplishment. It just means if not tomorrow, then maybe today. If not for tomorrow, then maybe for today. Feeling of validation, the feeling of being seen, heard, and understood by the world of social media or by the world outside, that is what quick dopamine means. It means checking your phone 100 times a day to see how many followers you have, how many likes you have gotten, and how many DMs you have received. Because we can't wait. We are not doing anything for the future. We are not building ourselves. We are rather validating ourselves. Athletes don't train themselves to win the first race they run. They train themselves to be the showstopper. They train themselves to be the star of the show at the end. I understand. Everybody likes the feeling of eating candy, even when you know it's not a meal and it's not going to fill your stomach. But you still like eating it. You still enjoy it. That's what quick dopamine is. That's what it makes you feel. It gives you that rush in your stomach, that feeling of being validated so strong that you feel like you're the ruler of the world. But what if you're not? Because what if you're investing wrong? What if you think that you are living in this illusion of being productive the entire day? And by being productive, you mean missing gym and watching the Netflix show. By being productive, you mean skipping to read and rather talking to a friend, or maybe just being actively social on Instagram is what being productive means. That's where you're wrong. That's where you should ask yourself a question. Have you really achieved something the entire day? Have you found your purpose? Have you really fulfilled something, or have you just completed your so called task? I'm not saying to eradicate the feeling of being validated, to eradicate the feeling of enjoying it. I'm just saying it's very important for us to find the right balance. It's very important for us to understand that delayed gratification might not give you instantaneous rewards. It might not make you feel the most best person in the world out there. It might not get you to experience the magic you possess. But it means that you're doing something for the future. I mean, I know that I'm not doing this podcast because I have lakhs of followers on my Instagram or I have lakhs of subscribers on my YouTube. I'm doing this because eventually I want to go somewhere with it. Eventually, I want to build something with it. So it's a process. It's going to happen eventually, and I'm investing in it. I am growing with it. So, you know what delayed gratification really means? It means to work on yourself. It means to build something, groom yourself, invest in things that will actually help you build something. Anybody could party every day. Anybody could have hundreds of friends. Everybody and anybody could have an Instagram that looks the most aesthetic. But not everybody can build something new every day. Not everybody can invest in themselves and in things that will make them who they will be in the future. So what? They are not enjoying their life. So what? They don't feel the best in everything they do. It's just that they know that they don't have to settle for momentary happiness. They don't have to settle for momentary validation because they are seeking for something permanent. They are seeking for something that exists more than just today. So trust me, everybody loves to be validated. Everybody enjoys success early. But at the cost of what? At the cost of ruining your future? At the cost of not growing? Know that this Gen Z world has maybe limited the concept of success in our head, but success is not what you think it is. It is not about having the most friends, having the best social life, having the best Instagram, and being the most socially active everywhere. It's about creating, it's about building something, it's about trusting yourself when nobody else ever could. If you think getting 10 DMs every day, or maybe, I don't know, getting followers every day is your parameter or your end goal of success, you're doing it wrong. Trust me, you still haven't checked off your parameters to success. You still haven't checked off your bucket list. You are 10% there. And you will only be fully there if you understand that a balance between both, a balance between momentary validation, happiness, and delayed gratification is equally important. That's the time when I think you have realized how much success means to you, how much doing something in life means to you, how much standing up for yourself means to you. And if you think this is more like a moral police lecture, or this is me correcting you to do something right in your life, it's really not. It's about you not settling for mediocrity. It's about you not settling for what's ordinary. And trust me, I feel like momentary validation and quick dopamine is not even the ordinary, it is even below that. Below the average, nobody wants to settle for. If you think there is any feeling in this world that is better than working on yourself, working out, spending time with yourself, exploring, traveling, failing, falling, building, creating, and then waiting, and then working for the reward rather than just waiting for it, is just something that everybody gets to experience? No, it's not. It's a privilege to have. It's a feeling to experience, and moreover, it's a plant that you should water. It's about time when you learn the ability to resist the now for something better later. It's about when you realize that this feeling, this quick dopamine, validation, momentary success, happiness, it's all temporary. That's when you realize that your growth is not stagnant, that your growth does not start here, it starts somewhere up there. Because you need to start somewhere, right? Everybody starts somewhere. Google wasn't made in a day, Rome wasn't built in a day. You start somewhere to create the biggest and the finest of empires. But are you settling just right now? Do you think you're the ruler just at time? No, you're not. You have far beyond to go. And if you think that you have found the balance by figuring it all out, by sort of waking up every day and realizing that I don't get burnt out, or I have way too many errands to do, or I am at the best feeling, no, you're not. The world is so big to feel all of that. And trust me, I get it that we're not addicted to social media. We are addicted to the feeling it makes us feel. We are addicted to the validation it gives. We are addicted to the immediate response it brings to our heart. Because who wouldn't like getting thousands of likes on their post? Who wouldn't like getting thousands of DMs saying that you're the most prettiest person to exist? I get it. I get the feeling. But who wouldn't like to build something big? Who wouldn't like to become the next CEO? Who wouldn't like to start something of their own? So, I get it. I get how we want to feel the most seen. I get how we love being the most validated. But trust me, this is not it. This is not worth settling for. This is not even mediocrity. It is somewhere so below it. And it's high time that you realize that quick dopamine is something that fades out, but delayed gratification is something that helps you build.